A lot of women think the reason they feel tired all the time is just age. But most of the time, it's not age. It's what your body's been dealing with for years. Low hydration, low protein, blood sugar crashes, poor sleep, too much stress, and eventually your body just starts running on fumes. You wake up tired, you grab coffee to get moving, you feel okay for a little while, then around 2 or 3 in the afternoon, your energy completely crashes. Your brain feels foggy, you lose all motivation, and suddenly the only thing that sounds good is sugar, more caffeine, or a nap. That pattern is incredibly common. But here's the thing most people never explain. Your body is actually trying to send you signals that your energy systems need support. And when you start fixing those small daily habits, something interesting happens. Your energy comes back, your thinking gets clearer, and life starts feeling easier again. That's what we're going to talk about today. Because energy is where everything starts. Most people think that energy is about willpower. But energy is actually about biology. Your brain and your body run on a few simple things: water, protein, movement, and circulation. When those things are off, your energy, it starts dropping fast. A lot of people walk around slightly dehydrated all day. Your brain is about 70% water. So when hydration drops, mental clarity drops too. Then there's protein. Protein stabilizes blood sugar and supports your metabolism. Without enough of it, energy becomes unpredictable. You feel okay for a little while, then the crash hits. Movement also matters more than people realize. Your body is designed to circulate blood, oxygen, and nutrients through a movement. When we sit all day, everything just slows down. Your circulation slows down. Your energy slows down. Even your brain function slows down. And then people assume they're just getting older. But in many cases, it's actually just lifestyle patterns are stacking up. The good news is, those patterns can change. And when they change, your energy often comes back faster than people expect. When I started paying attention to this, I realized energy usually comes back when 4 simple things improve: hydration, protein, movement, and even your daily routines. Hydration is one of the easiest places to start. Most people underestimate how much water the body actually needs to function well. Even mild dehydration can cause fatigue and brain fog. Protein is another big one. Many women simply aren't eating enough protein during the day. Your protein supports your metabolism, muscles, hormones, and even your stable energy. Then there's movement. You don't need intense workouts. Walking alone can dramatically improve circulation and energy. Even 10 or 15 minutes can help your body reset. And finally, there are routines. Simple daily routines help to regulate your energy systems. Sleep cycles improve. Metabolism stabilizes. Mental clarity gets better. When those 4 foundations start improving, your body begins to feel different. And that's where confidence starts coming back. One thing I've noticed over the years is that energy changes everything. When you feel tired all the time, life feels harder. Small tasks feel overwhelming. Motivation disappears. And when your energy improves, something else interesting happens. You start feeling capable again. You make better decisions. You take better care of yourself. You start thinking about your future again. And that's important. Because confidence doesn't come from motivational quotes. Confidence comes from momentum. When your body feels stronger and your mind feels clear, you start building momentum again. And that momentum spills over into every part of your life. Your health, your mindset, your work, even your finances. That's why I always say energy comes first. Because when energy improves, everything else becomes easier to build. If you're feeling tired all the time, don't try to overhaul everything overnight. Start simple. Drink more water during the day. Start your morning with water. Focus on real food and protein. Move your body every day, even if it's just walking, 10 minutes after every meal. Create small daily routines that support your energy. Those habits, they sound simple, but over time, they build a completely different foundation. And strong women build foundations. They don't quit. Energy, confidence, freedom, that's the progression. And when your energy improves, the rest becomes a lot easier to create. If you want a deeper breakdown of the habits that support energy, metabolism, and mental clarity, I'll put together a few free resources on my site that walk you through it step by step. You can explore those below. And if this video helped you understand what might actually be behind your fatigue, brain fog, or energy crashes, subscribe to this channel. Check out the playlist. I will drop all these links below because each week we talk about simple ways to rebuild your energy, confidence, and independence, one step at a time. And remember, win your morning, win your day.